Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So fortunately, nowadays we do not really have to do a lot in order to virus scan our device. It will actually do on its own. However, we have to initialize it. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find special section which is the device care. So let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on app protection. So let's tap on it and tap on turn on. Tap on turn on. And as you can see, we've got this information that no threats has been found. However, we have to still tap on scan phone. And as you can see right now, your device will scan itself, will scan all of the apps and the processes which are currently on the device in order to check any kind of problems, in order to detect malware. And after that, you will see the scanning results, and so whether everything is okay or not. So be patient and wait. Alright, and as you can see here, we've got the results. In my case, no threats has been found. Of course, if your device will find any problems, it will notify about them and will guide you through the whole process of removing them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.